Hello, this is Geek94, where video showing you guys these two tweaks called handwriting recognition, also graffiti. Basically, with those tweaks, you can actually like handwrite your messages. I'll show you in a second. Now, first you want to go to India. So like in a week or so, I'm gonna get the Nexus 7 tablet. So the unboxing should be uploaded soon. Pretty cool tablet. Okay, so you want to go to search and type down handwriting recognition. Alright, there you go. You can just hit on any of these right here. You might not want to hit on the first one because you have to pay for it, but just hit on any of those other two, and just install and download it. Then the second tweak is called Grafiti, so just type Grafiti. And basically, this tweak will allow you to send your drawings through iMessage. Trying to make sure I'm spelling it right. Okay, there you go. Like I said, you may not want to click on this one. It doesn't really matter. Just hit on anything, and then you want to install and download that. So after you're done, I'll show you right here. So like for example, if I want to if I want to like do a note, I create like a new note. And for you to activate, all you have to do is hold the screen actually, and then right there, you just hit draw, and you can like do like this. Hello, I know that one's crappy. Hello. Hopefully, yeah, let's try that again. Okay, but you basically get the hang of it. I can get it now. Hello. Okay, so there you go. You got hello, and you can basically do like nice stuff with it. You can draw with it, and basically that is handwriting recognition. And Grafiti is actually the thing that allows you to send drawings and stuff through iMessage. So again, just hold the screen, and then a pop-up menu will show up. Just hit draw, and you can just draw like something, like a store, I guess, for example. I know I suck drawing. So yeah, so pretty much you get the hang of it. You can draw it, and you can just type down your messages, like hi. And basically that's those two tweaks for you. Alright, if you like this video, please subscribe and comment down below. Soon I'll be getting the Nexus 7 tablet, so I'll do an unboxing, a review, and I might do a how to root the device video if I think that it will be cool for the device, because I don't want to avoid my warranty. But some say it doesn't void the warranty, some say it doesn't. So I have to see about that. Alright guys, peace.